In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tasks in Asana for your team. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, find your project, create a task, and add the key details your teammates need. First, head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This connects your Asana account to your Google identity and keeps things simple for teams already on Google Workspace. If your organization uses another sign-in method, that's fine too. Just use the option your team prefers and complete any prompts to verify your account. Once you're in Asana, you'll land on your home or a recent view. From the left sidebar or your home dashboard, open the project where you want the task to live. If you work across multiple workspaces or organizations, double check you're in the correct one so the task appears for the right team. Inside your project, look for the Add Task button near the top. Click it to create a new task row. Type a clear, action-oriented task name. Aim for something specific like Draft Q1 Report Outline rather than a vague title. Consistent naming helps your team scan the list and understand what needs to happen at a glance. Next, open the task details by clicking the Details button. This reveals the right-hand pane where you'll capture the important context. Start by adding an assignee. Assign the task to the single person responsible for driving it to completion. They'll receive notifications and the task will appear on their My Tasks, which helps with accountability. Now set the due date. Pick the date your team expects the work to be done. If your team uses due times or needs to consider time zones, set that accordingly so everyone stays aligned. Due dates are essential for prioritization and capacity planning. While you're in the Details pane, add any extra context your team relies on. Use the description to outline expectations, link relevant docs, or list acceptance criteria. If your project includes custom fields like priority, channel, or effort, fill those in to help with reporting and triage. You can also attach files or add subtasks if your team already uses them in this project. Asana saves automatically, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, added a task, named it clearly, opened the details, assigned an owner, set a due date, and included the context your team needs. Repeat this process for each task and keep titles consistent so the project stays easy to manage. Thanks for watching.